Look at you standing all by yourself. Look at that.
Oh, you gave up on that one.
That was good, Riley.
You could have done so much better on that one. You had good momentum. You got to have confidence, kid.
Come on, Riley. Yay!
Look at where mommy's at. Keep going.
Hi.
Oh, come on, kid. Get some confidence. You got good balance. You just need a little confidence.
Look at Riley go. Yay!
Oh.
Riley. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, almost that time. You gotta
Come
talk
on.
to mommy, okay?
Come to mama. Come to mama. Come on. Come on.